This example demonstrates the two-class labeling option in H2O Label Genie. However, we can also use multi-class labeling. Let's consider the following review as an example. While the client might be dissatisfied with one product, they could be satisfied with another. In this case, we could create additional classes such as satisfied with Amazon, dissatisfied with Amazon, satisfied with Fitbit, and dissatisfied with Fitbit to capture the different sentiments expressed. Let's get started with creating a new annotation task. When the new pop-up window appears with the annotation task settings, set the task name to text classification multi. Under Select Dataset, choose Amazon Reviews Demo, just like before. For Select Task, pick Classification. Finally, in Select Text column, select the comment column. Once all the settings are configured, you're ready to proceed with this multi-class labeling task. In the next tab, make sure to check the option Allow Multi-Label Selection to enable assigning multiple labels to a single entry if necessary. The Enable Zero-Shot Predictions option is already turned on by default. Now, let's add the four classes: satisfied with Amazon, dissatisfied with Amazon, satisfied with Fitbit, dissatisfied with Fitbit. Once everything is set, you're ready to move forward and click the Annotate button. Please notice the information button at the center of the next page, indicating that the zero-shot prediction is in progress for this sample. When the green pop-up window appears, indicating that predictions are now available, click on the Refresh button. This will display the prediction percentages assigned to each multi-class category, allowing you to review the model's outputs in detail. While navigating through the comments using the Skip button, you may notice that multiple labels are checked for some comments. This signifies that the algorithm behind H2O Label Genie has identified a high prediction percentage for more than one class. This typically suggests that the comment addresses multiple products or expresses more than one sentiment, such as dissatisfaction with two products or a combination of sentiments related to different aspects.